There is a new push tonight to change how you get medical care if you get hurt on the job.
Now, some critics say it will mean longer wait times for treatment. Eyewitness News reporter Lindsay Sheldon says some people argue it will help North Carolina's economy, but others say it could cost you.
These are the braces that the doctor gave me for my balance.
Yvonnya Johnson showed us the leg braces she needs for walking when her headaches and dizziness are at their worst.
It sucks the life out of you.
It's been almost 2 years since she tripped and fell over a cord while working in the garden center of this Lowe's in University City.
The back of my head was hurting, like somebody was taking a hammer and just beating me in the head with it.
Lowe's didn't want to comment on her case because it's ongoing, but her attorney, Adam Seifer, explains he was able to file special medical motions and got her leg braces within 10 days of filing. Now, though, he says a new bill would eliminate that option. Instead, it would require a full hearing with witnesses in front of the Industrial Commission, which can take months to reach a decision.
We don't need to slow the system down any further. We need to speed the system up so people like Ms. Johnson can get the care that they need.
Senate Bill 174 would also require a hearing instead of filing forms to get workers' compensation checks reinstated if a company cuts them off. And it requires the employee to help pay for certain court costs the company used to cover, including reaching a settlement.
It's terrible, and we're hoping that enough people will call into their lawmakers and say that this is ridiculous.
Lawrence Baker with the North Carolina Association of Defense Attorneys admits the changes would mean weeks before an injured worker received a hearing.
It could take anywhere from 45 to 60 days longer.
Baker argues that hearings ensure companies get to present all the evidence, which he says allows the commission to better decide what medical costs are necessary. Being able to keep costs in check, he says, helps business owners and preserves other workers' jobs. That's why his association, the North Carolina Chamber of Commerce, and at least 9 other organizations are backing it.
It costs a lot for the employers to go through this process, and you want to make sure that it's fair to both sides.
But Johnson says it's not fair to injured workers like her. In December, she had a formal hearing on shoulder surgery and other treatment, but still doesn't have a decision. In the meantime, she says, it's hard not to think of what she used to be able to do, like exercise.
I used to go to the gym all the time.
Work, and take her grandchildren to the zoo.
This is not what my life was supposed to be like. No.
Lindsay Sheldon, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.